Rupam, you had any question because you just raised the hand?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask regarding, like we say, for example, if it's really hot, then you eat cooling things, especially if you have more pitta, to balance the fire, right, during the afternoon, summertime. But here down south in Madurai, I've heard people talk about this. For example, it's too hot outside, so they should eat a lot of spices to keep the body heat at the same level. Like in Tamil Nadu, they talk like that. So to me, I don't know which one is, and I'm talking about a yoga, so many people who have been into yoga practice. So I'm a bit confused about that.
Okay. Okay, Rupam, thank you so much for the question. Rupam, it totally depends because you are there from Delhi, right? You are not from Chennai, isn't it? Chennai people, if you will see any coastal areas, mostly in India, any coastal areas are mostly kapha dominant. Okay. Coastal area mostly kapha dominant. Dry areas are mostly vata dominant, right? So if you will find into coastal areas, mostly you will find people with more bulky body. You will find that, right? Because they are more kapha dominant. And for kapha, spices are needed to burn the kapha. Okay, that's why they eat that to burn the kapha. All right, right. So that is the one reason why they. But if you are there and you are pitta dominant and you will start to have more spices in the summer, it is going to damage. It is going to give you more damage, right? You're not going to bear that heat, and from inside, outside, from everywhere it is heat, then acidity and all these things will start to happen. Skin diseases will start to happen, rashes will start to happen, right? All these things will happen. So we have to know that. So it is not for, like, I cannot say that everyone in Chennai is will be, kapha dominant. There will be people who will be vata dominant also. So they should eat accordingly because a lot of spices will generate more vata in the body, right? Lot of spices will have, they will generate more vata. Anything which is dry, spices are dry. Anything which is dry, ruksha in nature, they generate more vata in the body. Okay, so we have to eat things accordingly. All right, everything we will discuss. So let us just go ahead. Is it clear, Rupam, till now? Right. So we will discuss everything.